Arkham City, the controversial super prison built right here in the heart of Gotham. In a few moments, Bruce Wayne will be live on stage to explain his sudden interest in Gotham politics. The infamous Playboy millionaire has never been one to...
Billionaire, Vicky. Millionaires were so last year.
I assume that you thought yourself untouchable. As you can see, no one is untouchable.
Thank you! Thank you, Gotham! Imprisoned behind these walls, gang leaders are fighting a bloody war in the middle of our once great city. Every inmate from Arkham Asylum and Blackgate Prison has been relocated to this facility. How can this be safe for the people of Gotham?
Shut Arkham City down. It's out of control. Shut it down. By the end of tonight, I will be a hero, just like you. Batman.
Today, I'm starting the campaign to close Arkham City and make Gotham safe again. Remember, Wayne is the priority target. Surround him!
Hands in the air, Wayne. We have Wayne.
Target secured.
I feel I should thank you. Capturing Bruce Wayne is so much easier than Batman. And now that we have you, Protocol 10 is ready to begin. It will be my legacy, a monument to your failure. And if you try to stop me, I guarantee everyone will know your secret. You are mine, new inmates. Let me introduce myself. I am Professor Hugo Strange, and I am in charge of the Arkham City facility. Up until this point, you have shown total disregard for the law, for society, and yourself. From this moment on, you are no longer part of the society that you have shown no respect for. You have been separated from the good people of Gotham. By omitting your actions.
What the hell are you doing? You think we wouldn't hear you? Help me! Save the program! Help! Welcome to Arkham City.
Kill you, what? You're gonna die. You're gonna be my bitch, Wayne.
On the ground. Now! What are you waiting for, Wayne? Line A, move!
Any attempt to approach the wall will be considered an act of escape and will be met.
Get your lazy ass in line A.
No one arrests Black Mass. No one! Ionic psychiatric examination.
Get me straight.
Put the chair down. Will be met with extreme force, followed by a level 9.
Line A.
Fight. Room 3. Tiger operative.
Wait, you're in line A. Move it, ready, boy.
I hear Gangway's put a price on you.
You two get out of the way.
Wait, get your ass up here.
What's the deal?
Bruce Wayne, you're on my list.
Move up, prisoner. I said break it up. Now.
Hey, Wayne, I'm gonna see you real soon.
You're next, Wayne.
Wayne.
I'll carve that pretty face off your skull and give it to the Joker.
Lower your weapons. Mr. Wayne will not be any trouble. Will you, Mr. Wayne? The cuffs can stay on. We don't want to make things too easy, do we?
Close the doors. Prepare for insertion.
I can't believe it.
Bruce Wayne? Great. There I was reporting on your crummy press conference, and now here we both are. I
I guess that'll teach you to get involved in politics, won't it?
Listen to me carefully. When they open the door, do not panic. Stay close to me.
You think I'm taking advice from some guy who's never even been in a fight?
Stay calm. They're trying to scare us.
Sorry, man. It's every man for himself.
On your feet, Ryder. I said get up.
Look who it is. Nighty night. Wakey, wakey, Wayne. Oh, what's up? Do you need me to call you butler?
Cobblepot.
Oh, you remember me? I'm touched. Your family destroyed my Wayne. This, well, let's just call this good old-fashioned revenge.